sometimes people think of childcare or paid leave or taking care of a parent as a private issue, but what we've been really focused on is trying to explain to the American people, what I think a lot of families get, which is that if you can't take care of your child, if you're facing anxiety as a worker, that creates a conflict between being a good employee and being a good parent. You're not going to be successful in the economy. You're not going to be successful for your employer. But also, we do see in this economy in particular, employment. We're really proud of the number of jobs that have been created and how we are at really close to full employment in the United States. But that really gives us an opportunity to bring more and more people off the sidelines into these good paying jobs. We can only really do that if we have quality childcare. This issue is near and dear to the president's heart. He will recount his own story of taking care of his kids. He had a family tragedy and he was the sole parent and he had to make arrangements with his family. He had to sort of reallocate his family members to help take care of his kids. And he says all the time how he was fortunate to be able to do that, but other parents aren't so lucky. What the president is really saying is that if you want to talk about valuing parents and valuing families, the way to do that is to address their core stresses. And childcare and the ability to afford childcare or the ability to take paid time off when you're taking care of a parent who's sick or a child who's sick, those are core concerns families have. We have a system where the child care centers are fragile and then families' ability to really afford child care is relatively fragile. And those are both problems the president wants to solve.